The southernmost bees pollination center. This is a cool thing I seen in our neighborhood. Look at all them bees. There's a little curly-tailed gecko right by the sign. These honeybees are helping to repair the damage done to our ecosystems by human activity. Nice. Well, that's cool that they got the southernmost bee pollination center. There's a lot of bees over there, I gotta say. Their little jars are empty. I don't know what that means. Huh. Pretty cool though. Alright, Kel. Back to your bike ride. That's the southernmost bees pollination center.